There's some expensive shit in here. Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to talk about what I carry in my bag, my everyday carry, more like what I take with me when I go on an adventure. Getting out and doing things on a weekend is a big part of who I am. I like to make sure I have all the necessities when I'm out creating content. Some of the stuff actually may vary depending on, what type of day it is, if it's a shoot or if I'm actually going out, vlogging, I really don't vlog that much, or just out and about, let's say going on an adventure. Because like I said, don't need to bring my iPad every time, don't need to bring my MacBook every time. It really depends on like what type of day it is. So the backpack of choice is the Peak Design Everyday Carry 20-liter version. My entire life fits into this backpack. It's, top notch, some of the best quality, I've had in a backpack. And I've been through some backpacks, and this one right here has held up pretty good. It's, even though it's only been a year, it's still in like pristine condition, looks brand new. It's really a photographer backpack, but I am a photographer and a content creator, so get the best of both worlds with this backpack. This bag has several compartments. You have a top compartment right up here. You have a top compartment right here. You can fit all your some other stuff right here too. Two side openings right here. So I mainly, where most of my stuff is. Two side compartments right here. There's also a secret compartment up here at the top as well, and also there's one in here in the front also. All right, so we're gonna start in the top compartment right up here. So the first piece of tech in my bag, AirPod Maxes. Love these headphones, great quality, great build. I'm glad I did not pay full price for these headphones. I actually got these through my bookstore, through financial aid, and yeah, pretty good headphones. Not worth $550, but if you can get them, for free, basically like what I did, or at a reduced cost, definitely worth it. Like I said, overall, great headphones. ND filter, put on my camera whenever I go on shoots. Very good, for very, bright days, ND filters. I never really knew about these deep into my photography career, and these are helpful. SD card holder, keep my SD cards in there. Really don't have that many in there. Only really have 3, but yeah, good to have. Good for storage. Photographer, content creators, necessity. Definitely need SD cards and SD card holders. Towel, rag, whenever I go out on shoots, sometimes I sweat a lot. Like I'm actually sweating right now. I don't know why, but very good. I believe with this right here, if you wet it, wring it out, and like snap it really quick, it like gets really cold, stays cool. Very good on hot days. Like it. Yeah. Keep a towel in your bag. You never know. Also, like I said, didn't even know this was my bag, honestly. USB-C to USB-A, actually a necessity, because, we're still using USB-A these days, but yeah. Very, very needed. Never know when you need this, so keep it in my bag. Start with these side compartments over here. So normally what would be in this compartment right here is my Sony A7 IV. I'm currently using it to film right now, actually. But yeah, overall great camera. It is expensive, but probably not expensive to some, but still expensive camera. Worth every penny. Able to shoot my content, shoot photography shoots. Like I said, great overall camera. Previous camera was an A7 III. That was a great camera, so this was a very decent upgrade. Really just wanted it for the flip out screen, but overall, like I said, great camera. Lacy drive, content creator's dream. Definitely gonna have you some flash drives if you create content, do any type of photography, videography, you know, just to be able to store stuff, you know, when your computer runs out of space. Get to the laptop later. But yeah, necessity, Lacy drive. I just like the design of this. Thought it was worth the money. It's a 2 terabyte USB 3.2 USB 3.2 Gen 2, I believe, whatever. No, probably got to research that. Probably might. Yeah, I'll leave a link down below, like where I got all this stuff. But yeah, definitely worth it. Use it all the time. Use it to store pictures, videos. Great, love it. Godox flash trigger. Haven't really used it that much. Probably used it for like one shoot. I rarely do my shoots like outdoors, so you know, get the natural sunlight. That's mainly the look I go for. Don't really like the artificial like lighting sometimes, but you know, whenever I do need it, take it with me. Normally I do keep my flash inside of here. It's not here right now, but normally I do keep that. But yeah, Godox flash trigger in my backpack. Like I said, it varies like what's in my backpack. I really need to take this out, to be honest, because I don't really need it. Air blower. Every photographer, every person with a camera needs an air blower. You never know. It gets rid of the dust very easily. So yeah, get you one. Other compartment over here. Got my Sigma 85mm. You know, normally this stays on the camera body because I have another lens that I'm using right now. But yeah, Sigma 85mm bread and butter lens. Love shooting on this lens. Has beautiful bokeh. You know, everybody likes that. So yeah, great lens. I recommend anybody get any 85mm. It doesn't have to be a Sigma, but it can just get any 85mm. Great lens. I also carry in my bag my 24-70. Normally that stays separate off of my camera body. Normally the 85mm is on my camera body. But yeah, Sigma 24-70 all around lens. Recommended for anybody. Honestly, probably recommend it over the 85. Because like I said, all around lens, able to do shoots, able to do videos like this with the wide angle up to 24 and get up close up to 70mm. So yeah, Sigma 24-70 f2.8. Recommended. All right, let's get into the top compartment right here. And yes, there are 2 compartments up here. So we're gonna get into and talk about this. Yep, this is iPad Pro. Let's see here, the 3rd generation with the M1. Probably would say my favorite Apple product over iPhone, AirPods. Like, I use my iPad, taking notes, studying, reading, consuming content, editing photos, videos. Like, iPad, recommended for anybody. Pro, Air, don't really recommend the 10th gen iPad though, the new one that just came out. Don't like it. Don't get that one. But like I said, this one right here, worth every penny. Now we're gonna talk about the beast, the main attraction, probably what you guys are looking for in this video. Actually, probably not. I don't know what you're looking for, but MacBook Pro 14-inch 2021 M1 Max, 64 gigs, 2 terabytes of storage. This thing is a beast. Literally probably, I got it last year. I bought it used off eBay for a decent price. Actually, probably a great price. I think it was like probably like $1,000 off, you know, what it normally is. Still in great condition. Still had Apple Care on it, so I was able to extend the Apple Care, everything. And yeah, workhorse, great machine. Love using it. But yeah, 14-inch MacBook Pro, workhorse, recommended to anybody. And the top secret compartment here, you know, we got what is this? We got the 96 watt charger. Recommend that. Well, it comes with your MacBook unless you get the base 14-inch Pro. It doesn't come with a 96 watt, but recommended. Normal MagSafe cable. You know, MagSafe is cool. USB-C cable. You know, when I charge my iPad, you know, could wish Apple would just switch to USB-C finally, but they're probably not, because they're probably gonna go portless before they do that. But yeah, keep these three in top secret compartment right here. Yeah, secret compartment right here. Microfiber cloth. What else is in here? USB-C hyperdrive adapter for my iPad. Plug in SD cards, USB-C, USB-A, and headphones. So yeah, keep this in with me. Let's see. Probably forgot like the main, not the main thing, but important detail about this bag. Let's see if it's still in here. Let's see here. Pens, pencils. Forgot to mention this, but keep these in my bag. You just never know when you need a pen or a pencil. Forgot about that. AirTag. Always AirTag your stuff. Always put an AirTag in your bag, in a secret compartment, whatever. Keep an AirTag on you. Gonna need these. But yeah, I would normally include like my iPhone, my AirPod Pros too, but I'm gonna leave that for my everyday carry video. But yeah, that's what I carry every day in my tech bag. As you can see, some stuff, you know, I don't need to carry. So definitely probably need to organize my bag some more. But yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys drop a like down below, leave a comment of what you guys enjoyed about, you know, what's in my bag, or what do you guys carry in your bag, or basically, you know, what videos you guys want me to drop, stuff like that. But yeah, hopefully you guys have a good day. Catch you later.